Mohammad Siraj, Prasidh Krishna, Akashdeep, Arshdeep Singh, and Kuldeep Yadav. It's a 18-man squad.
Have I noted it down? Are we good to go? Yeah. Questions?
Can you read?
Who wants to go in first?
You will discuss other options also for the captaincy role apart from Shubham, and who will be your number 4 batsman for the current season?
I mean, look, obviously you discuss every option that's there. I think over the last year or so, we've looked at Shubman at various times. I think even when we played England last year, you take a lot of feedback sometimes from the dressing room as well. Obviously, he's very young, but we've seen the improvement. And I know it's T20 cricket for GT as well, but you take feedback from a lot of people, and you're hopeful that he's the guy who can. It's obviously going to be like it always is, a high pressure job, but we're hopeful that we've picked the right guy. I mean, he's a terrific player, and our best wishes to him. Number 4, I think Gigi and Shubman might probably take a call on that once they get there, so I don't want to sit here and give a batting order. But once they get there, I think they'll probably have a think about that or have a chat about it.
Just wanted to ask the status again from Mohammad Shami. What is his fitness like? Was he not fit for all 5 test matches? What sort of workload he has had over the time period?
Yeah, I mean, he's been trying to get fit for the series, of course, but I think he's had a little bit of a setback over the last week or so, and he's got some MRIs done. And like you mentioned, I don't think he was going to be able to play 5 tests, and at the moment, I don't think his workload is where it needs to be. So it's just the medical guys who've told us that he's been ruled out of this series. It's unfortunately, we were hoping that he's available for some part of the series at least, but if he's not fit at the moment, it's very difficult to keep waiting. It's rather plan with the guys that are fit and available. So yeah, it's unfortunate. Bowler like him, you always want to try and pick, but at the moment he's not fit to be picked.